Frontier modem router devices use indicator lights as a primary diagnostic tool. These lights signal the operational status of the device, aiding in troubleshooting connection issues. Key lights include power, broadband, internet, Wi-Fi, and Ethernet. Each light's state, solid, blinking, or off, indicates a specific condition. A solid light typically signifies normal operation, while a blinking or absent light suggests a potential problem. The broadband light represents the connection to Frontier's network. It should be solid green for a strong signal. Amber or red indicates syncing issues. Understanding these light states is crucial for identifying and resolving common connectivity problems. Note that recent firmware updates have improved stability, and Frontier's app now provides AI-driven diagnostics to interpret these light signals in real time. Blinking lights on a Frontier modem router often indicate transitional states or potential issues. A rapidly blinking broadband light, for example, might signify a sync failure with Frontier's network. Common fixes include power cycling the modem by unplugging it for 30 seconds, checking cable connections, or contacting Frontier for a line test. Slow blinking could indicate a firmware issue, which can often be resolved by updating via the Frontier app. If a light remains off, it may indicate a hardware failure necessitating replacement. It's important to differentiate between normal transitional blinking during startup and persistent blinking, which usually signals a problem. User-side issues, such as loose connections, account for a significant percentage of problems. As Frontier upgrades to Wi-Fi 6E and implements more fiber-only services, understanding these light behaviors remains essential for effective network management. When troubleshooting, document the specific light patterns and refer to Frontier's support resources for targeted solutions.